How to participate in tournaments on 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet site by visiting 1xBet.mobi in your mobile browser. Then go to the menu tab and scroll down until you see promo section. From the drop down, select tournaments and then select tournaments again. Here you will see various ongoing and upcoming tournaments with details like prize pools, entry fees and time limits. Next, select the tournament you want to join by tapping on Take Part. Make sure to read the tournament rules and requirements carefully by tapping on the More Details tab, including the type of bets or games allowed and any minimum bet amounts needed to qualify. Some tournaments requires you to pay an entry fee, so ensure your account balance has enough fund. You can deposit money using any available payment method if needed. Once you have joined, start placing bets or playing the required games according to the tournament format. Your performance will be tracked automatically and you can check your ranking on the leaderboard anytime from the tournament page. Keep in mind that some tournaments may last for a specific period, like a day or a week, so try to participate actively during that time to improve your chances of winning. Also pay attention to any special promotions or bonuses related to the tournaments that can give you extra benefits. Finally, if you finish among the top players, you will receive prizes according to the tournament payout structure. Prizes can include cash, free bets, or other rewards credited directly to your account. And that's it. Now you know how to participate in tournaments on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.